Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you about how your path works, how environment variables work a little bit, and a little bit about executing scripts and commands. So just very basic stuff just to get some basic concepts down. Or you can echo out your path variable. Now this is basically a big list. This variable holds a big list of paths, and anything in one of these paths, this is where your system will look for binaries, commands, or scripts that it will run. So say if you type command like ls, it's going to search all these directories to see if it finds a binary called ls. So for the ls command. Now it's probably in your user bin ls. So user bin is listed up in here somewhere. So in any case, if you put something, have a binary in some custom directory you created, you're going to want to add that directory to your path. So you can export your path temporarily like this. So actually, this is going to be equals. So you're going to export and type the name of the variable equals, then a $sign, the name of the variable. This will represent the current value. So you're going to assign the current value to the new variable that you're creating, and then you're going to add the path that you want to add to it. So colon separates each of these paths, they're colon separated, and you're going to add this new path to your path. So run this. Now when you check your path, it is going to have, opt some software bin. So any binaries or scripts in this directory, you could run them. So say if you had the script called script1, you'd say script1.sh and just run it like that, and it's going to search and find it in this directory, and it's going to work if you had one in that directory. Now vi.bashrc, oops, in your home directory, your bashrc file. So your path is initialized from there. So if you want to permanently update your path, you're going to edit this file. Jump to the bottom here, and notice I have export path $path, and I added the Golang directory right here, and I added some Ruby gems and some other stuff here. So a bunch of stuff that I have in the past added to my path, a bunch of things here I've added to my path. So anytime you want to add things to your path, you can add lines that look like that. So anyways, yeah, you're going to edit your bashrc file, so remember that. Just something to remember if you want to update something like that. So we did exporting the path. All right, so next thing to be aware of, if you have a script, like for example, you go to, I'm not going to show you how scripting works. I'm going to show you how to run scripts and how they work, but I'm not going to show you how to create scripts. This is not a scripting guide. So you can go to, all right, so to run a script, you could specify it by the full path, like this, and you could run it. Now, this does not have permission to run. One way you could run a script is by just typing bash and then the script name, and it will run the script like that, whether you have execute permission or not on that script. So you can, remember, you can chmod something, user plus x, give execute permission for that script. So now you can run the script without specifying bash, and it will just run. And it's going to run in bash by default. So if you were in that directory, you could run the script like this, // and you could say my script and run the script like that if you have permission to run it. Now, let's say if you are so let's say if you're somewhere else, like right here, and you say my script.sh, it doesn't know where it is. So it cannot find the command. So if we create a directory like this, so this last directory we added to the path, let's just add this to the path. So there we go. We can add our scripts directory to the path temporarily. And we try to run my script, not going to specify the directory or anything. And there we go. We're able to run it from anywhere. So no matter where we are, so we could be here, we can still run this script without specifying the path for it or anything. Now, if you want to run a Python script, that's another thing I should show you. If you had a Python script called test1.py, you could say Python test1.py. Now, and I guess I do have a script already in this directory called that. So there you go. Now, you can, this could be Python, you could say Python-v, oops. So you could say Python-V, and see this is Python 3, but it could have very well have been Python 2. The default on whatever distro you're using may be different, so it may vary. So just pay attention to whether you got Python 2 or Python 3. So hopefully you found this useful, if not just interesting. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, criticisms, anything you want to say. I want to hear it, but also definitely hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of other great tech content you just don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. We do like coding, Linux, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, all sorts of great stuff, robots. Don't miss out on that. Definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube won't give you notifications when new videos get posted. And also check out the list of videos we've already published. We have a ton of great content out there already, so definitely check that out. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.